Welcome, and this is my illustrations about a red rose. And see, it's a flat type of illustration or design, whatever we want to say. Actually, this kind of flat design or flat icon, you can create your icon or fib icon, anything else. So here some settings what I'm doing. First of all, with my pencil, and here I'm using my pen tab. Okay, XP pen tab. Here, this is the one part of your red rose. Okay, so see, if your imagination is quite strong, you can do anything else. And artwork and art is also the base thing, this imagination. So if you have to imagine, okay, nothing else, and have to imagine and practice, and after practice you can master one things. Okay, see, here is some tips, and yes, I'm going to smoothify this unwanted anchor point and unwanted points. So deleting this unwanted points, so it's great, a smooth type of flat one side. Now I need to change this color, so no outline here. So here is no outline. As the flower is now start from here. What I'm going to do here is one part. Now imagine what is rose looks like. So here I'm creating another part, and actually hitting Alt and rotating this one, and lots of time I'm using this trick. So here you can see it's a looks like a hair of a girl. You can see, and rotate another time and put it somewhere else. This, okay, see, and obviously it's no outline. Okay, see, and gradually it's change and creating a somewhat a circular type of form. And now another copy, another duplicate of this object. Okay, or vector type of file. So it's a vector, so if I decrease its size, it cannot lose its quality. Okay, that's the main basic difference of this vector and rasterized image or pixelated image. So it cannot be pixel in when you're doing work with the help of vector. So it's a illustrator, it's a vector. If you need to change any layer within a layer, you have to double click on this particular layer or path. So you can find this layer or path and change the matter and fix this matter. See, gradually it's creating a form, and actually I'm just doing with my imaginations, nothing else. So you can do more better than me. Okay, so here some tips, and I'm just trying to do here a explore your imaginations. That's you can do better. Okay, so here some of things. First of all, do one part, and by gradually joining this part to another part, you obviously imagine what happened to this next part. So it will definitely create your imaginations or explore your imagination. So always fill the gap between 2 points or between 2 objects. That will definitely create you a great artist. Okay, so art is a study of life. Okay, and do not think about money, etc., because art always a independent thought. Okay, so artists do not think about money because they are totally independent mind. But in this society we need something, so or carry on or stay alive. So for that reason we have to income. So everyone, my dear friends, see that is actually a rose. It looks like a rose, but what I'm doing here, just nothing. Actually I'm expand this object, because when I'm just squeezing this object, it does not lose its quality. Okay, so expand everything. Okay, that's a rose head part. Now I need to create a layer here, and in this layer I'm just doing this another part, so it must be green. So here some darker versions of green, so here it is, and there's another part also here. See how can we create it better. So now I can do with this no, I can do this star and hit the bracket underneath of the up bracket, this down bracket. So it's definitely creating a triangle, and what I'm doing here is a little bit thrown type of things. And okay, now creating the extra points. No, it's really do not happy with this result, so I'm creating this once again, and definitely I'm doing with this curve tool here, curve tool, smoothify this curve tool. Okay, thing. So what I'm doing here, let's put it here. So it's nothing bad but imaginations. All you need to do, imagine and think what you can do with this basic structure, this basic objects like triangles, stars, or like all geometric shapes. But I think, in my opinion, all of this object, all of this figure drawing and anything else in this world, we can create with the help of geometry, with the help of simple strokes. Okay, simple geometric strokes, simple geometric, just like squares, some likes of rectangle, triangle. We can create anything with this geometric shape. Always what I am saying in this video, I want to show in this video, explore your imaginations, think, first of all think, and create better things day by day. Okay, and also in this video what I'm doing here, it's creating a circle and another circle here. Okay, now it's creating a leaf. So it's a very simple, just I'm using here Pathfinder tool. So see step by step here what I'm doing in this video. Actually I'm selecting both of things, and one things I want to say that snap to point and snap to grade point is always maybe on, and ruler is very important things when you design or illustrate in Adobe Illustrator. Okay, so see here our leaf is created, and we need to fix this, and once more we can rotate this one or reflect this one. Reflect. Okay, put it somewhere else in this sector. Okay, fine, it looks nice. Now gradually it's creating a form. So here in this tutorial what we learned that simple objects, with the help of simple objects we can create anything else, but all we need to do explore our imaginations, and with the help of imaginations we can do anything else. And see, let's say rose is now created. Now what I'm doing here is creating a background and shadow. For background right now I'm just putting here just like this things, and change this color and go everything back. Okay, so here my background is created. Now what I'm doing here, just creating a shadow, and then shadow from here this point and this point. No, this looking ugly. Okay, this point, no, it's somewhere we need to fix this point, so somewhere else in this point, and this point, click on this point, click this point and join this everything. Now somewhere darker shape of this point, so it's a very dark. So what I'm going to do here, just see what I'm going to do here. It's a very dark, but yellow and darker versions of the same color. Just this K means the black. It's a more dark. Somewhere else. Yes, hit OK. Now see, it looks nice. Okay, and our rose creation is completed. Now if you think this video is very helpful, please like us, and it really gives us inspirations. Thank you very much for watching. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.